We survived it all. And truthfully, I was one of you who dreamed of physically walking up the stage to celebrate my hard work and dedication to my studies. This dream is now a reality. Our dream is now a reality. And this reality is not as easy as it seems to be. Because in our 2 years in the senior high school, sleeping early was a luxury. A senior high school learner like me could not afford unless all the school tasks were done. Who could forget our research classes? How about the presentations that gave us cold feet and the deadlines we need to meet? Wow, glad moves in our high school life. And as we do so, may we always remember and appreciate the knowledge, skills, and values that the past
to present our candidates.
Let us also welcome on the stage graduates of La Paz National High School for school year 2023-2024. As such, you are entitled to all the rights and privileges appertaining thereto. Congratulations!
Propelling you toward a more refined and resilient version of yourselves and ultimately achieving success. As we stand here today on the cusp of a new era, I see a future filled with promise. Each of us has a potential to make a difference and to be the change we wish to see in the community. Graduates, may you remember the responsibility that accompanies your education as you venture out into the world. You have been granted a privilege that many in the world do not have access to. Whatever path we take, He will surely uplift us, and our efforts will be directed, blessed, and successful. Before I end my message, I would like to take this opportunity to extend my sincere gratitude towards all the teachers of La Paz National High School, especially those who have remained in contact after all these years. Your constant inspiration and encouragement have a special place in my heart. You made my high school life unforgettable. In addition,